And Joe Lowe, we don't know the reason. Apparently, the lawyers for both sides are aware of it. We haven't heard it publicly. What would you think is going on here? The fact they need two more jurors.
I think it's one of two things. Either there's two additional jurors that are having issues, as Dean has already said, and that we're unaware of, certainly as to why, or the judge may have started thinking and said, you know what, we may need more alternates than I originally thought, given the way people are falling off, such as you saw today. And so we probably should have some more alternates so that we don't end up having a hung jury and having to do this whole thing again. Because if you lose too many jurors through the course of the trial, have to start all over, and you definitely don't want to have to do that. So I think the
Right. Well, that
judge has
question
decided
has
he
been
wants more
raised.
alternates.
You're right, Joe. Well, that question
Yeah,
has been raised, but he did say we need two more so that we have 14. And let me ask you this: with two alternates, is that really going to be enough for a month-long, highly controversial, potentially trial that will divide the city? What do you think, Joe?
no, absolutely not. That's so surprised. It's not enough for a lengthy trial like this. It's not enough given COVID, and it's definitely not enough given the high publicity. You can look back to the OJ case, for example, and how many jurors they lost, not only in the criminal case, but especially in the civil case. They were going through them like mad. So they should learn from that, and that judge ought to have a whole lot more than two alternates.